my loving wife. You are my rock and my best friend. Wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. I love you, asawa ko. Thank you so much.
I love you, Mommy. Happy birthday. I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment I found the one and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless.
Happy Saturday everyone! Samahan niyo po kami sa Caloocan City upang mag-attend ng sorpresa at saya para sa karawan ni Ma'am Sharon. Ito po ay nanggaling sa kanyang mapagmahal na asawa na si Sir Willie all the way from France. Malayo man sila sa isa't isa, hindi hadlang ang distansya upang maiparamdam ni Sir Willie ang kanyang taus-pusong pagmamahal para sa kanyang minamahal na asawa na si Ma'am Sharon. At tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang paghahatid ng sorpresa at saya sa tulong ng Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Si Ma'am Sharon po ay makakatanggap ng birthday sas, flower bouquet, pansit bilao, Shanghai bilao, balloon stick, teddy bear, birthday cake, and birthday card. Tayo po, Ma'am Sharon, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Wishing you a day filled with amazing memories. You deserve all the love and happiness in life. More birthdays to come. Tara, samahan niyo po kami.
My love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my
Surprise po! Happy birthday! Magandang hapon, Ma'am Sharon, and happy birthday! Ma'am, kamusta? May idea po ba kayo? Kanino nang galing ito? Surprise sa inyo? Yun po kung wala. Mamaya po alamin natin kung kanino nang galing. Sa ngayon po, relax and enjoy this moment. Happy birthday! At dahil parawan niyo po nga, mayroon po kayong birthday sack. Happy birthday po! Happy birthday po! Yan. Ang saya ng celebrate natin. Nakangiti. Happy birthday po! At dahil karawan niyo po, syempre, mayroon po itong kasamang birthday cake. At dahil karawan niyo po, ma'am, kakanta lang po namin ang birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ma'am, wish ko. Happy birthday po. Basta ito lang nakalagay sa cake. Happy birthday, asawa ko. I love you. Yan po, ma'am. Happy birthday po. Ma'am, ngayon may idea na po kayo. Kanina nang galing? Asawa ko. Tama po. Ito po ay nanggaling kay Sir Willie. Ano sa? Ma'am, happy birthday po. Ma'am, may idea po ba kayo sa
sa background music natin. Beautiful in white. Request mo ni Sir Willie para po sa inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday po! At dahil kaarawan yung ma'am, syempre, meron po ngayong flower birthday. Happy birthday po! Yan, happy birthday. At syempre, hindi ba yung Jennifer Ramos, may kasama po ito? At sila! Happy birthday po! Yan po, ma'am. Hansit Bilao, pangkahaba ng buhay. Happy birthday po, ma'am. Siyempre, may kasama din po ito. Sabay Bilao. Happy birthday po. Yan po, ma'am. Happy birthday po, ma'am. Ngayon po, ma'am, may katanungan ako sa inyo. Mga ilang months or years hindi pa nakauwi si Sir Willie sa Pilipinas? Alis nila ng po. So kahit po ay long distance relationship po kayo, hindi niyo sir nakakalimutan ng ilang araw. Siyempre, asawa po niya kayo. Happy birthday po. At dahil araw naman, nakasama din po ito, birthday message. Dito po natin malalaman kung anong gusto ipahiwatig ni sir para sa inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday po! Pero bago po pambasahin, magpakilala po muna kami. Ay, may happy pala ang Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Ma'am Sharon, nandito po kami upang gawin extra special ang inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday po! Ready ka na ma'am, basahin ka? To my loving wife, you are my rock and my best friend. I am grateful for your unwavering support and love. Wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. I love you, asawa ko. From Willie, ang nagmamahal na asawa. Happy birthday! Surprise po ba? Opo. Tapos na pakaramdam. Okay. Naiiyak siya. Sige po, anong masasabi niyo kay Sir Willie? Nanonood po siya? Thank you so much. Surprise ko. Si Mama naiyak, kapatid. Si Mama Christine, kapatid niyo po. Ay, Mamangkin. Si Mamangkin ang naiyak. Ano po birthday message niyo kay Tita? Tita Sharon niyo po? Ay, anak po, mga anak. Ah, Mamangkin. Mga Mamangkin, dito po sa harap. Naiyak na sila sa inyo. Dito po. Anong masasabi niyo? Ay, mama mo po siya.
I love you, Mommy. Happy birthday.
Thank you, sir. Sweet but galing sa puso. Ang pagbati para sa nanay. Next po.
Tita Shawi, happy birthday po. Sana gumaba pa po yung buhay.
Parang may dugtong yun, sir eh. Anong dugtong, sir? Mabuhay ka hanggang? Okay lang, sir. Happy birthday, last.
Ayun nga, sana happy ka at saka deserve mo to.
Naiyak na talaga si Ma'am Christine para po sa tita niya. Pero kung wala na pong babati, kami naman pong mga staff, may gusto po pong ihabol sa inyong karoon. At dahil ang arawan niyo mga meron po ngayon, Teddy Bear! Happy birthday po! Yan na muna ang yakap-yakap ni Mama Bangala si Sir Willie, all the way from France. Happy birthday po, Ma. Last message po, Ma, meron pa pong masasabi kay Sir? I love you.
Thank you so much sa surprise.
Yan po. And kung wala na pong baba, kami naman po mga staff gustong bumati sa inyong karawanan. Kaya po, Ma'am Sharon, nabati na po namin ng happy happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Wishing you a day filled with amazing memories. Enjoy your special day, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday po. And lastly po sa aming sender kay Sir Willie, all the way from France. Sir, on behalf of Metro Manila Shop and Delivery, labas po kaming nagpapasalamat kasi kami po ang iyong napili upang may hatid po itong sorpresa para po sa inyong minamahal na asawa na si Ma'am Sharon. Ipapatuloy lang po ang pagmamahal sa isa't isa at lagi po kayo mag-ingat dyan sa France. And God bless po. Sa iyong pili, Ma'am, happy birthday po! Enjoy your day, Ma'am.
Very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white. And tonight, oh, you look so beautiful in white. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go.